How to make a resume with Claude AI. So if you want to go ahead and create a resume that is fully structured and fully fledging worked, what you can simply do is come over to Claude and tell it that I am applying for jobs in the IT market. Create me a resume accordingly. Okay, so we're simply going to add that in. Now, what Claude might do is Claude might ask you a few questions. Okay, now those questions could be related to, your portfolio, what kind of experience level you have. So let's say I'm going to have 1 to 3 years of experience. What IT are you targeting? I'm going to go with software dev, and I'm going to go with a realistic placeholder for myself so that, Claude creates a better experience for me. And once that is done, we're simply going to wait for things to load in. And, once it goes through, once it is fully done, we should be good to go from here on out. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to wait for Claude to, efficiently go through with things, to properly load things up for itself. Because as you can clearly see here, it says create the resume as a doc file. So just wait for it to do so. And once that is fully done, you should be good to go from there on out. And Claude will give you a fully generated resume that you can use as a proper placeholder for yourself. Of course, you can make changes, you can iterate things, but this is the basic workflow. Just as so, you can go ahead and simply create your very own resume through Claude. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.